According to Hartman, generative AI refers to computational techniques that are capable of generating seemingly new meaningful content such as text, images, or audio from training data. There are certain tasks that we believe they can only be performed by humans. Tasks such as writing essays, composing songs, and designing graphics. AI has generated a lot more ways to do these tasks even better than us as humans. Generative AI relies on machine learning and deep learning to generate new content. This content includes text, images, music, and more. Generative AI systems can not only be used for artistic purposes to create new text mimicking writers or new images mimicking illustrators, but they and will assist humans as intelligent question answering systems. Now let's look at the examples of generative AI. GPT-3. This is a text-based AI that can write essays, answer questions, and generate poetry. The user gives it a prompt and it can generate a story full of characters and plot twists. Now let's look at this video where an interviewer interacts with a GPT-3 AI emulation.
Hi, please tell everyone your name.
I am Robot Melvis.
Hi, Robot Melvis. What do you want people to know about AI? About artificially intelligent beings such as yourself?
I want humanity to know their impression of me will change every day as I learn more.
Okay. All right. What motivates you? What makes you tick?
I am striving to understand humans.
Well, good. That's good. It's a good thing to know. So how does it feel to be a robot?
I am not a machine.
No. Oh, really? You're funny. Well, that's about all the questions I have for you today.
Image generation in visual arts has been making waves. The creation of an image from another and from different types of data, including text, scene graph, and object layout, is one of the very challenging tasks in computer vision. Now, using deep learning and artificial intelligence, techniques of the generation of new images from different types of data has become possible. Now, let's look at this TikTok video. So, a user is searching for an image of a red flower. So, this is a generative AI that is called Lexica. This is an image generation AI. The user is now scrolling for a suitable red flower. After that, the user now downloads the file, and now the user can find the file in the gallery. Beethoven, Sun Ra, and Bumi can compose original pieces of music in a variety of styles and genres. There are different types of generative AI in music that can create melodies and even write lyrics for an artist. Certain AI methods potentially allow the exploration of musical styles.
We have Jarvis. This is a really cool AI-based lyric generator. You can set different parameters like artist, genre, and year. Then you can add your song title and even some lyrics to help the AI build on top of what you already have. For example, we can type in Drake and then we'll title it Bubbles. Generate lyrics, let's see. Just one more, because I'm tired of telling myself I don't want to stop and take a break. Even with all this rain, I ain't gonna let the sun go down on me, gonna keep the light up all night. That sounds like Drake. Maybe, I don't know. Super.
Hartman argues that these are the important limitations in real-world applications. Incorrect outputs. Generative AI models may produce output with errors. For example, generative AI models generate the most probable response to a prompt, not necessarily the correct response. Bias and fairness. The unbiasedness of generative AI is very much dependent on the quality of training data and the alignment process. Training deep learning models on biased data can amplify human biases, replicate toxic language, or perpetuate stereotypes of gender and sexual orientation. Generative AI is a branch of AI that can create new content such as text, images, or audio that is increasingly often cannot be distinguished from human craft. Generative AI has potential to transform the domains and its industries that rely on creativity, innovation, and knowledge processing. Generative AI enables new applications that were previously impossible for automation, such as realistic visual assistants, personalized education, and digital art. In this video, we learned about the concept of generative AI. We also looked at the generative AI examples, in which I included GPT-3, image generation, music generation. And I also included the videos showing how these generative AI are used. And we also looked at the limitations of generative AI in our real life applications. But then the key question still stands. What is the potential of generative AI? And what is the future of generative AI?